Welcome to Math with Mr. J. In this video, I'm going to cover how many fluid ounces are in a quart, and then how to convert quarts to fluid ounces and fluid ounces to quarts. To start, there are 32 fluid ounces in a quart. In other words, 1 quart equals 32 fluid ounces. Now I do have our G over here representing a gallon to help us with capacity conversions. And we can see that 1 cup equals 8 fluid ounces. So we have gallons, quarts, pints, cups, and then in each of those cups, we have 8 fluid ounces. There just wasn't enough room to fit 8 fluid ounces in each of those cups, so I wrote it separately. Now, with all that being said, each of those quarts contain 32 fluid ounces. Each quart equals 32 fluid ounces. Let's jump into a couple of basic conversions here where we will go from quarts to fluid ounces and fluid ounces to quarts. Starting with number 1, where we have 3 quarts equals how many fluid ounces? Well, each quart equals 32 fluid ounces. So we have 32 fluid ounces, 32 fluid ounces, and 32 fluid ounces. So we need to do 3 times 32. And that's how we convert quarts to fluid ounces. We multiply by 32. Now 3 times 32 gives us 96. 3 quarts equals 96 fluid ounces. So again, when going from quarts to fluid ounces, multiply by 32. Let's move on to number 2, where we have 160 fluid ounces equals how many quarts? So we're converting from fluid ounces to quarts here. Well, each group of 32 fluid ounces equals a quart. So how many groups of 32 fluid ounces in 160 fluid ounces? So we need to divide here. We need to do 160 divided by 32. So when we go from fluid ounces to quarts, we divide by 32. And 160 divided by 32 gives us 5. So 160 fluid ounces equals 5 quarts. So there you have it. There's how many fluid ounces equal a quart, 32, along with some conversion examples. Check the description for more measurement conversion videos. I hope that helped. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, peace.